Here are some money saving tips that you might find useful. Like, share and subscribe. Create a budget. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget to determine where your money is going each month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. 2. Use cashback and rewards. Sign up for cashback and rewards programs with your favorite retailers, credit cards, and online shopping sites to earn points, cashback, and discounts on your purchases. 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly bills and subscriptions to see if there are any services you no longer use or need. Cancel them to save money. Shop smart. Compare prices, use coupons, and buy in bulk to save money on groceries and other household items. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking at home instead. Meal planning can help you save money on groceries and reduce food waste. Use public transportation. Consider using public transportation, walking, or biking instead of driving to save money on gas and car maintenance. Negotiate bills. Call your service providers and negotiate your bills. You may be able to get a better deal or a lower rate by simply asking. Save for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Avoid debt. Use credit cards responsibly, and avoid taking on debt that you can't afford to pay back. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education or skills to increase your earning potential and improve your financial stability in the long term. Like, share and subscribe. Remember, small changes can add up over time, so start by making small adjustments to your spending habits, and work your way up to bigger savings goals. Thanks for watching.